Hey, listen, I already know what your New Year's resolution is. You're a real estate agent. You gotta sell more houses. Not only do you want to, you need to sell more houses. Your primary goal for 2019 should be to buy all of your debts down to zero. Get rid of the IRS. Get rid of the credit card statements. Get rid of all of the expenses that you have so you can start building a real net worth for yourself. Well, I got bad news. The market is changing rapidly. You're already starting to see it slow. If you're not focusing on the right leads, you're going to struggle in 2019. On New Year's Day, I'm going to show you exactly what to do so you can take advantage of the new economy, of what's going to be happening in the real estate world. Get registered by clicking the link here. I want to see you on the totally free training on New Year's Day so you and I can start making a lot more money in the real estate world.